Today we are reviewing Xero and talking about why many businesses are switching to this accounting platform. If you are currently managing invoices, expenses, payroll, or bookkeeping using spreadsheets or older accounting software, then you may be wondering if there is a better solution available. Accounting is one of those tasks that every business needs, but very few business owners actually enjoy doing. That is why cloud based accounting platforms have become so popular. They help you to automate financial tasks, improve your organization, and save valuable time. Xero is one of the biggest names in cloud accounting, and many freelancers, startups, and growing businesses now use it. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get special offers on accounting software, because by using the description link the discount that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first thing many users notice about Xero is its clean and modern interface. Compared to some traditional accounting systems, Xero feels very easier to navigate. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your financial situation, including invoices, bills, cash flow, bank balance, and business performance. This makes it easier for business owners to understand their finances without needing an accounting background. One of the biggest strengths of Xero is cloud accessibility. Because everything runs online, you can access your accounting data from anywhere. Whether you are working from your office, home, or while traveling, your financial information stays available whenever you need it. Another useful feature is bank reconciliation. Xero can connect directly with supported bank accounts and automatically import transactions. Instead of manually entering financial data, users can review and categorize the transactions much faster. This alone can save many hours of time in every single month. Invoicing is another area where Xero performs very well. You can create professional invoices, you can send them directly to your clients, you can track payment status and set up automated reminders. This helps businesses to get paid faster and reduce the amount of manual follow up work. Expense tracking is also simple. Users can upload receipts, track spending, and organize business expenses from one dashboard. This becomes especially useful during tax preparation because financial records remain organized throughout the year. Another reason many businesses choose Xero is integrations. The platform connects with hundreds of business tools, including payment processors, e commerce platforms, payroll systems, CRM software, inventory management tools, and project management applications. These allow businesses to create a connected ecosystem instead of managing information across multiple disconnected systems. Now, let's talk about reporting. Xero provides financial reports that help business owners understand income, expense, profit, cash flow, and overall performance. Having clear financial reports makes it easier to make informed business decisions. For growing businesses, this visibility can be extremely valuable. Of course, no software is perfect. Some users moving from simpler systems may need time to learn all the available features. While Xero is user friendly, accounting software naturally has a learning curve. Some advanced feature may also require higher tiers of plans depending on your business needs. Now let's answer the main question. Why should you switch accounting tools? If your current system feels outdated, requires too much manual work, or makes it difficult to understand your business finances, then switching to a modern cloud accounting platform can significantly improve efficiency. Xero helps automate many routine accounting tasks while giving business owners better visibility into their financial health. It is especially well suited for freelancers, agencies, e commerce businesses, consultancy startups, and small to medium sized companies that want a modern accounting solution. If you want easier bookkeeping, better reporting, cloud accessibility, automation, and stronger integrations, Xero is definitely worth considering. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope this review helped you to understand what Xero offers and whether it may be the right accounting solution for your business. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description link for special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.